In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Asana with Salesforce. We'll walk through this directly from inside Asana, so make sure you're logged into your Asana account before you start. The goal here is to connect Asana and Salesforce so that your sales, customer success, and project teams can stay aligned without constantly switching between tools. First, look to the lower left corner of your Asana screen. You'll see your profile icon there, usually showing your initials or profile photo. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu that contains options related to your account. From that menu, click on the option labeled Settings. This will open a settings window or panel, usually in the middle of your screen. Your settings are where you manage things like notifications, appearance, and in this case, app connections. Along the top of the settings window, you'll see several tabs. Click on the tab called Apps. This is where Asana lets you manage integrations and connections with other tools. If you don't see it immediately, take a second to scan the tab labels carefully. It should be there. Once you're in the Apps section, look for a link or button that says See All Apps. Click on See All Apps to open the full Asana app directory. This will show you all the integrations that Asana supports, organized in one place. At the top of this app directory page, you should see a search bar. Click into the search bar and type Salesforce. Be sure to spell it correctly as one word. As you type, Asana will filter the app list to show relevant results. In the results, look for the integration labeled Salesforce plus Asana. This is the official connector you'll be using. Click on Salesforce plus Asana to open the app's detailed page. Here, you can read more about what the integration does, but for now, we'll move straight to installing it. On the Salesforce plus Asana app page, find and click the button that says Install Salesforce for Asana. This will start the installation and connection process. Depending on your organization's setup, you might need admin permissions in Salesforce or Asana, so be prepared to involve your admin if you hit any permission-related messages. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. These will guide you through authorizing access between Asana and Salesforce, selecting the right workspace or organization, and confirming any permissions. Take your time to read each prompt carefully before you approve or continue, so you're confident about what data is being shared between the two systems. Once you complete those prompts, your Asana and Salesforce integration will be set up and ready for use.